Okay, so I just checked into the hotel. It's currently around 1:20 a.m., which is kind of late, but I took this cheaper option, cheaper than an Uber, so not too bad, I guess. Which is my room? Let me check. 1209, 1209, which is, oh my god, there's like, okay, yeah, so it's just here. The card is inside, yeah. So, okay, room tour. Yeah, anyway, I took like a cheaper option, which is kind of like a combined taxi for like multiple people, and then I was the last one to pay, so like I was the last one to get dropped off. Anyway, here's the hotel, and I'll be staying here for 2 nights because, well, first of all, I'm in New Zealand, so yeah. I'm not sure if I mentioned that in the previous video, but yeah. I'll be going for Beachside Auckland, and Please Be Quiet Auckland on Sunday. Okay, so Beachside Auckland is tomorrow, which is, well, today, which is Saturday, and then PBQ is on Sunday. And then my hotel location is actually like in the middle of both comm venues, so it's not too bad if I kind of wake up late and then have to take an Uber or something. But I did ask the hotel staff to give me a morning call so that I can go down and have breakfast, since breakfast is provided here. So I'm not going to sleep just yet because there's registration for SG Mini, which is at 2 a.m. local time, because in Singapore it's 9 p.m. So I'm just going to hang around until that time and then probably take a shower before going to bed. And see you guys tomorrow.